I'm almost scared. I wish Brian could help.
I bet this thing weighs 500 pounds.
Almost there. Well, with us not included, I don't know.
Don't run off the bridge.
Stop.
Oh,
I think that's a turtle.
where? But there's no alligators. Or snakes or monkeys.
There aren't any monkeys. There aren't any monkeys. Hopefully there aren't any alligators.
This isn't easy, bud. Bren, do you want some pizza? Yeah? Oh. Want some pizza? Is that a yes? Yes? Okay.
This is good exercise when I grow up.
Steering?
Uh-huh. Because now I know how to steer. Because I did it in a truck
What
too.
is this for? Bren.
Ah!
What?
In my ear.
What?
So in my
Something's like my shoulder. Get out of here. Oh, we're getting stuck in the water.